Hello guys, welcome to Leaves and Lungs. So today we're going to see current affairs related to agriculture for the day March 21. Okay, so let's get started. So guys, the first news of the day is regarding the investment in the food processing sector. So although the news is not directly exclusive for your prelims preparation, but it is very much essential in terms of GS3 agriculture as well as tidbits points for writing for good fodder points in essays also. So it forms an essential and integral part of the main agriculture paper because it could be asked very much highly. Okay, so like the article says that according to the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, India is ranking number 1 in the world in the terms of production of these commodities, that is banana, papaya, ginger and guava and mangoes. So thus India is having huge diversified production base, but the contrary it is not having good amount of processing units, so it's having extremely low levels of processing. So this level of processing in perishable products in India is like estimated at 2.1% for fruits and vegetable. So this is like extremely very low. If the level is like 2.1% in fruits and vegetables, India is not able to export these amount of good highly produced numbers to other countries. So it potentially lags behind many other countries who produces less amount of fruits but have good processing units. Okay, so this is the reason why we need investment in the food processing sector. So these are the levels that have been associated with the food processing sector units. So that is 2.1% for fruits and vegetables, and 6% in poultry, and 21% for meat, and 23% in marine, and 35% in milk and milk products. Okay, so due to the low food processing sector, that is due to low food processing units, we are not able to extract the potential that could actually come from these huge production. Okay, so that is why India is planning to put investment in the food processing sector more and more. So there are like various initiatives to develop the food processing sector. The first thing is to develop the scheme for mega food parks and scheme for modern abattoirs, and also for to improving the cold chain and value addition infrastructure, and scheme for creation and expansion of food processing and preservation, and scheme for quality assurance, and scheme for human resources and institutions. So if you are preparing for your mains side by side along with your prelims, then this is like an extremely important 6 points. Like when you write these 6 points, you can easily get all the good marks. So guys, be keep revising these terms after your prelims. Okay, so this is like very essential for you. Further, the government has provided various fiscal incentives in terms of reduction and exemption of taxes. So like there are like various tax exemption, and also like fund of rupees 2000 crore has also been constituted with NABARD to provide loans at concessional rate to mega food parks and units established therein. Also like various loans and FDI, like 100% FDI is permitted under the food processing industries also. It is one of the great initiative that to develop the food processing sector. So guys, this is like an overall of your food processing sector. So if you just revise it within 3 minutes, you can able to produce good answers in your exams also. So just keep hold over all the points that has been given here. So the second thing is, let's know something about Central National Herbarium. So herbarium is actually a place where all the information about the plants are being stored. Okay, so in India, the Central National Herbarium, which is a national repository with about 2 million plant species. So this is a staggering number, and it is also one of the largest herbaria in the world. Mr. William Roxburgh, who lived in 1795, has established this herbarium. So it is present on the banks of the river Hooghly, and it is now called as Roxburgh House. So just remember, Roxburgh House is actually an herbaria. So if they even if they ask in any unforeseen prelim question also, you can easily write this. And in 1883, the herbarium was shifted to a special building. So recently, like since 1970, it has been housed in air-conditioned building. The CNH collection has not only from India but also from various parts of the world, and it maintains exchange relationship with the. So the National Herbarium provides a exchange of very valuable information with many herbariums across the world. Like more than 15,000 type specimens, information about them is being shared with the other countries' herbarium. So guys, this is how herbarium actually look. This is a cupboard of herbarium storing all the vital information regarding the plants. So guys, that's it for. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Have an awesome day, and do subscribe if you haven't subscribed to our channel. Thank you.